Good.
All
How you
right.
doing,
So
Sean?
I'm doing fantastic. What can I
Good.
do for you?
Yeah. I went through the deal sniper and I cleaned up my numbers,
Okay.
and then when I went to look for the agent name and all that, I I copied that. Well, I pressed my Ctrl+C, and then went through all that. Then time I come back, and none of that stuff is in the copy. When I hit the copy, it say it goes to my clipboard. And so when I went to the clipboard, it I didn't know how to get the clipboard. And so when I went to Google and find out how to go to the clipboard and press uh the Windows key and the V at the same time, then that came up, but it was in pieces. But when I looked at the video, you had an agent that had a box under hers, but some of these agents don't have a box like that. So I just was just lost, man. I just if you can just take me through it slowly and show me how to do this thing.
Sure. No problem.
Okay.
So for all intents and purposes right now, we will say that this page here, we'll just assume this is a blank email. Okay.
Does that come out of my personal email?
Yeah, I send them all from or, I mean, if you want to make a new one, mine is just my first and last name at gmail.com. And that's what I use for sending out offers.
Okay.
So we'll just assume this is an email.
Okay.
So first thing I want to do, I mean, hell, we can just do one.
Yeah.
We'll do Houston. I live in Houston, so we'll do Houston. All right, let's find a property.
Okay.
So this part, all the way up until sending the offer, you're good. You know how to do that part.
Yes.
Gotcha. Perfect.
How do you make your the properties to the right of the screen? How do you make it go zoom in out without hitting the plus and minus on the top right? How do you do that?
Are you on a desktop or a laptop?
Laptop.
Oh, are you using a mouse?
Yeah, with my finger.
Gotcha. That's why. So if you're using a regular mouse, there's a scroll wheel in the middle of the mouse that allows you to roll it, and it'll do that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But
I
because
don't.
you're using just your keyboard, and you're gonna have to use this, which is it's all the same. It's just a
Oh,
button.
okay. All right.
All right. Let's find a property. Let's do sure. Yeah, we can do this one.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna get the address.
Okay.
How long is it on market? 60 days. Okay. So I'm going to bring it over to Deal Sniper. I'm going to paste the address here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's got a mortgage, so I'm going to hit no.
Right.
I'm going to go ahead and clean up my numbers.
Right.
Monthly payment, I'm just going to do 500. Down payment, I will do 23,000.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, everything's clear. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the listing. I'll get rid of some of these. So I'm going to go back to the listing, and I'm going to see if I see the real estate agent's email address. I don't.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this here, name and email address. I'm sorry, name and company.
Right.
And
you don't highlight listed by, you just highlight the name where it started, her name.
Yep, name and company.
Okay.
And then I right click it until it says search Google name and company right there. And I'm going to check the first couple of links for an email address. I mean, here, this looks like her profile right here, actually. So do you have your email address listed? She does not here. All right, let's check another one. Send email. She doesn't have it listed. So in this situation, you'd have to call her.
Okay.
You'd have to call this lady and say, hey, I'm trying to send you an offer on 4401 Canal Street. What's your email address?
Right.
And you can call or text that, but let's just assume it was here because that's the same process for looking for it is what I just did. So let's assume it's here. So now that I've got her email address, all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this button right here.
Right. That's why I got lost at right there.
Okay. And then if I go over to the email, I'm going to right click and then I'm going to hit paste. And then I'm going to put in my information here and then I'm going to hit send.
Right there where it's highlighted at the bottom, does that clear that out?
Yeah. So if I highlight this and then
okay.
put my name, then I put my phone number at the bottom.
Right.
So, and then that's it. I would send it.
Okay. You ain't got to highlight the offer summary and none of that.
No, because
Okay.
you're already now you absolutely can. Here, I'll show you. You can go like this, highlight it, right click, hit copy, and then go back over here. Here, I'll do it below it. And then hit paste, and it'll do the exact same thing.
Okay.
It'll
on my laptop, I don't have to right click, do it. On my laptop where I learned is I hit Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V
for paste.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. That's fine. Same thing. Here, boom. Ctrl+V.
So
it doesn't matter if you go the old school way and highlight this thing and then hit Ctrl+C or hit copy, or if you just click this button here, it's doing the exact same thing. It's copying it. So the next thing that you press Ctrl+V on here, I'll hit the button, and then I'll go down again. And then if I hit Ctrl+V, it pastes it. So either way, it doesn't matter. It's doing the exact same thing.
Now, when I go to my email, it says in the little box when you hit compose in your email, it said compose, and then it says to. When the first line say to, that's to her email.
Correct.
Or if she don't have an email, first you say first call first, then get the email.
Yeah, you're gonna either have to call or text to get the email address if you can't find it online.
Okay.
And their phone number along with her name will be right here.
Right. Okay. I noticed that the Deal Sniper has the agent name already right there where it said Dear Catherine.
Yeah, Kathleen. And then and that's a new feature. We didn't always have that. We're adding more as much as we can. But yeah, it used to be we had to search for everything, which again is not hard, but it's nice to have it right there.
Then I went to I tapped on click here to copy. I don't need to bother that up there, do I? Clap here to copy a subject line.
So if you click here to copy subject line, and then again you paste it or Ctrl+V. This is all it pastes. Offer for 4401 Canal Street. And if you don't want to copy it and you want to type your own. All you're going to put is offer and then the address.
Okay.
So order of operation, if you were doing this on a real deal, you would hit here. This would be after you get the email address, right? Ctrl+V, you put the email address, you put the email in, you put in your information here, like normal. And then in your email on the subject line, if you really want to, keep it easy, click copy again. And then you Ctrl+V into the subject line, and there's your email. Then you hit send.
Okay. So it's like, here up and captured what you need to capture and go to your email immediately.
Yeah, but you can, there's no time limit.
Okay.
Meaning if you copy something, you can wait 12 hours. As long as you don't copy something else in those 12 hours, you can still hit Ctrl+V and it'll paste that same thing.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter how long. You know what I mean?
Okay. All right. Well, let me get some practice in then.
Was that all you needed?
Yeah, I was planning to start sending out offers today, and then I got stuck this morning.
Gotcha. That's all right. It happens. Everybody's new at something in the beginning. Don't even worry about it.
Yes. Okay, I appreciate your help, son. You got any live tonight?
Yeah, there will be a live at 6 o'clock tonight.
Okay. I would like to be in the live.
Sounds
Just to
good. We'd
listen.
love to have you.
Just to listen and learn.
Sounds good, man. I'll see you down.
Okay, thanks, Sean.
No problem. Have a good rest of your day.
All right, you too. Bye-bye.
See ya.